Hi, I'm Cruz and I'm a voice actor, and I've been in the industry since 2018. And for the past few months, I've been building my own home studio, or rather, I've had people build a studio for me. But what's important is that I have my home studio, and you can see it right here. It's not yet fully done, but it's built. And that's important because I'm here to answer a question, and that question is, do I need to have a soundproof recording space or studio? And I'm going to tell you now, no, you don't. That's right. No, you don't need a soundproof studio. This space is not soundproof. It's not fully soundproof. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but, well, I heard something right there. I can hear sounds from my kitchen, let's say, a few meters away. I can hear some sounds from the road, some motorcycles or some cars passing by. And I can hear that, and if I can hear that, I assume that my mic can pick it up too. But it's still fairly quiet. It's still really muted. And it's soft enough that either my mic actually doesn't pick it up even if I can hear it, or it's soft enough that once I process the audio or once someone else processes the audio, it's barely even audible. So I'm telling you again, you do not need a studio that is 100% soundproof. That said, you do still need a space that's fairly quiet. This space is fairly quiet. I don't think you can hear a whole lot of background noise here. You might hear, if I switch on the AC, you might hear a slight hum. If I have a computer on, maybe, depends on what model it is or how fast it's running. And maybe if there are people in the living room, maybe you might hear them, maybe not. But the point is, your space just has to be fairly quiet, and of course, it has to be treated. And this room, right now, is not treated. I mean, there are panels here, but they're still covered in plastic. But then again, here's the thing. Treatment, that's a whole different question. That's a whole different video. I am still in the process of producing that, but stay tuned. We'll answer that question as well very soon. All right, that's it. Do you need a soundproof studio? No, you don't.